Welcome to this case study presentation. I'm Yuri, founder of Truck Service Marketing, and today we're looking at a company out of Sacramento, California, affordable truck repair. And in this presentation, we'll look at the results that we're able to generate for this company, but also I'll show you a list of strategies that we are consistently implementing for this company that ensures that we are getting results on a daily basis for this company that drives them traffic, leads, and calls to their business. The first thing is a website that is built to convert. When we work with new clients, we redesign their existing websites or build a website from scratch with these conversion elements in place. And I'll talk a little bit more about this later in the presentation. And there's also an additional training on our website that will explain more what a website that is built to convert contains and how you can improve your website. So that's an additional resource on our site. But for this presentation, we'll stick to the basics. The most important thing is to know that part of your online strategy is that you need to have an effective website that is built to convert, that is built to motivate people to pick up their phones and call your company when they need your service. So that is one of the most important things. The other important thing is a proactive SEO approach that works. And this is something that will drive traffic to your website on a consistent basis. When you are ranking for multiple keywords in your city, in Google and other search engines, this will ensure that you are driving traffic, and then when they land on your website, we have the conversion elements in place that motivate them to do business with you, to pick up the phone and call you. So SEO extremely important. Google Maps optimization. This is another important strategy that you want to have in your business, because this will ensure that you are being listed inside of the Google Maps search results, and this will drive traffic to your business, additional traffic to your site. And when people land on your website, the more people land on your website, the more calls you will get for your services. Focus on online reviews and reputation. We help clients put in place a strategy that ensures a consistent flow of reviews from their current clients. And this is extremely important as well. It not only improves your conversion rate, it helps build trust, but it also drives these Google Maps results. So the more Google reviews you have on your listing, the higher your search engine map results will be inside of Google. Strategic PPC campaign. This is paid per click advertising. This is something that we implement for clients as well, and this is this also guarantees top placement in search engines for your keywords. This is extremely important, and this is one strategy that we run in conjunction with these other strategies that we do for our clients when we take them on as new clients to work with. Social presence and email marketing. This is another thing that we specialize in. We help them create their social accounts. So that's your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Pinterest, and we help them manage these accounts. And this just drives additional traffic. It helps you stay connected with your existing clients, and it's just a great strategy to have in place when you are doing online marketing for your business. And the other thing is we do email marketing as well, and this drives additional traffic to your website. And this works extremely well with your existing client list. And if you don't have a client list or an email list of your existing clients, we can help you set up a system that will capture those emails, those clients, and then that way we can start marketing to them on a regular basis with helpful content that we create here in-house for our clients. Precision tracking and analytics. This is another important thing that you need to have in place for your marketing. We need to track what's working, what's not working, where's the traffic coming from, what's broken in the system. That way we can pinpoint what needs to be adjusted, and that way we can put more marketing dollars in something that's working well. What we do is we put more marketing dollars, for example, in their PPC campaign. If we see something that's working extremely well, we can increase the PPC budget that gets spent every month, and that will drive additional traffic, additional flow of leads to their website, and will make their phone ring. ongoing support and maintenance. So once we set all of these systems up, and this is not a comprehensive list. It does not include all of the services that we do for clients. It's just some of the basics, some of the core strategies that we implement. But once we set these up for the client, we maintain it. We make sure that everything is running successfully, and we keep optimizing, keep improving, keep making adjustments, and making sure that everything is running smoothly. And of course, we offer ongoing support as well. So if something needs to be adjusted or changed on the website, you can just give us a call, send us an email, text us, and we'll be happy to make adjustments on the website, whether it's adding new pages or services or images or videos. We make sure your website runs flawlessly. We have private servers that we use, and that ensures that our websites are fast, secure, reliable, and that get higher placements in search engines for our clients. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about website that is built to convert. So in regards to affordable truck repair, what we have done for this client, number one is when we redesigned the website, we made sure that their mobile version of the site is built to convert. When somebody lands on your website on their mobile phone, we want to make it easy for them not only to see what you do, but also to contact you. And by that, we have the phone number listed in multiple positions. So we have their phone number listed at the very top, 24-hour service. The phone number is at the top. And when they click on it or push the button on their phone, push that phone number, it'll automatically call them. Additionally, we have the phone number listed here as well. And the most important thing is we have this green button here at the bottom that always stays at the bottom. And this, as soon as they click on it, it will call. And this is one of the best features you can have on your mobile website, because this makes it super easy for them to call you. They're not looking for your number. They're not trying to find your contact information. They're not filling out a form. All they do is they click on that button and that calls you directly. So this is the mobile version of the website. Every page is mobile optimized. It's fast. It's made to work across all browsers, all devices, whether it's a tablet, a mobile phone, an Android device, or a iOS device like an Apple iPhone. It will work on all devices, and it is built to convert. It's built to attract people. It has all the conversion elements in place for this site to be effective and to convert, and it's working well for this client. And this is the desktop version of the website. As you can see, it has the conversion elements in place as well. It has the phone number at the top that's clickable. It has a contact us page that's right there in the upper right hand corner, the blue button here. Additionally, there's contact information here, and we have buttons here for the different services if they need emergency service, roadside assistance, fleet maintenance. We are listing all of the main services here at the page. Everything is clear. It's easy to navigate. The website is fast. Again, we run our sites on private servers. And what we do is we work with a company called Cloudways, and they have servers all over the US. And what we do is we pick the server that's closest to the company's location, and this has several benefits. It not only makes it faster when their clients search for their website within the area, it makes the website faster by loading on the client's phone or desktop. And the second thing is when your website is closest to your location, and Google tracks this by the IP address of the site. Google rewards you by making your search engine rankings higher. So what we do is we find servers within the Cloudways platform that are closest to the client location, and very few companies do this. Not a lot of companies know about this, but we take the extra step in researching and going the extra mile for our clients, because we want to get top results for every client that we work with. So it's just a small thing we do that adds up and increases the results for our clients. So this is the website here. And these are the SEO results that we're able to generate. So SEO, Google Maps, and PPC results. So when somebody searches for their services, for example, this client here, Truck Repair Sacramento, and they come up they come up in the search engine in 3 positions. So number one is we can see the Google pay-per-click ad. So this is the pay-per-click ad. At the top, you could see it says 80, which is ad. And then, so that's number one. Number two is they get listed in the Google Map results. So that's number two. Number three is in the actual SEO results. So they are listed in 3 positions on Google when somebody searches for their keywords. And we were able to optimize their SEO, their pay-per-click, their Google Maps for a lot of keywords in their area for their service. And again, this is the top 3 things that we do for our clients that generate and drive these results for them. Let's take a look at some other search results. So let's open our browser here. So this is the actual website here for the client. As you can see, we have the phone number, we have the contact us page, we have a clear navigation at the top with the services that they specialize in, and this is a mobile truck repair service. The areas that they serve, we have a blog that's updated on a consistent basis, and all the buttons, everything is active here. We have a video in place. This also improves the SEO rankings. Google loves websites with video. We have the services listed that they specialize in here. We have client testimonials on their site. This increases conversion. We have trust logos in place here, and we have a call to action message here towards the bottom of the page. And we have blog content that not only is good for SEO, but it also engages the visitors. This is all content related to the truck repair niche for truckers, and this helps drive engagement and makes people come back to the website, which is good for SEO as well. And Google loves fresh content that's added to websites. So we take care of all of this in-house. We manage everything from purchasing the domain name for the client, to hosting the website, to securing it with a SSL certificate, to making sure that it's optimized for all browsers and mobile phones and tablets, that it works on all devices, that it's fast, secure, and reliable. That's the most important thing. So let's look at some of the results here. So this is Sacramento truck repair. This is when people search for this keyword in their area, they come up here number one, and this drives traffic. Imagine if your business is listed in these top 3 positions. Imagine what will that do for your business. They're also listed here on the 3rd position of Google here as well. Let's take a look at the next search result. So this is semi truck repair in Sacramento. Again, they are listed here on the first page in this 1st position here, and that drives traffic to their site. And then again, they're listed here at the bottom. This is the 4th position here. Then we have truck repair Sacramento, so they are listed here number 2 position, and then number 3 position here in the organic search result. Then we have mobile truck repair Sacramento. Again, they are listed number 2 here, again in this position, and they are ranking on number 2 place here in the search engine. And then we have Sacramento mobile truck repair, and again, they are listed in the Google search results. So keep in mind, these results will fluctuate, and it's not always possible to have somebody rank on the first page. Our objective is to have that company rank on in one of these positions, preferably the 1st position, and if we can't do that, then either the 2nd or 3rd position. And again, they are ranking here on the 2nd page here for mobile truck repair Sacramento. So these are just some examples from the keyword list that we are working on consistently. We're optimizing, and over time these results will increase as well because of our aggressive SEO approach, our aggressive maps optimization approach, and this is something that we do on a consistent basis. And in the long term, these rankings will increase, and that will drive additional traffic to the website, that will drive additional leads, and that, as a result, will increase the number of calls and service requests the company gets from their SEO results. So let's dive back into the presentation here. And on our website, we have additional resources. We have a internet marketing and SEO guide for truck repair companies. This is a guide that we developed to help truck repair companies create websites, optimize them, make sure that they are listed inside of Google. There's a lot of valuable content and information. I encourage you to download that. That's free on our website. And also a checklist that will help you create your online marketing campaign. Make sure that you're not missing anything. Make sure that you have everything in your campaign. And these resources are available on our website, truckservicemarketing.com/free. And lastly, if you would like to get similar or possibly better results for your business, you can schedule a free consultation with me. I'll review your website. I'll analyze it. I'll see what's working, what can be improved. I'll check your competition and give you an analysis or a report of what's working, what needs to be improved, and recommendations. We'll work together to give you recommendations. There's no obligation for this. It's absolutely free, and we just want to show you how we can help you, what needs to be done to improve your lead flow and maximize your lead flow online. And if we're a good fit, excellent. If we're not, you have all this information that you can work with, or have somebody in-house work with that information and implement that into your business. Thank you again for watching this presentation, and I look forward to talking with you very soon. Bye-bye.